Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by collecting evidence. Write down the exact numbers and times this matters. Next, activate built-in blocking on your phone and register on Do Not Call lists, because that reduces legitimate telemarketers. Once done, install a reputable call blocking app or enable carrier-level spam filtering. Make sure to allow number reporting. These steps stop many calls immediately and give you the control you need while you prepare for deeper actions. You now move into the core work. Contact your carrier and report the repeated numbers so they can trace and block at network level. This often removes large botnets. Then create layered filters on your device, silence unknown callers, whitelist trusted numbers, and add rules for time-based allowances. Also automate screening. Send unknowns to voicemail, use auto-replies for legitimate services, and run periodic audits of blocked lists to catch. You finish by escalating if unwanted calls persist. File complaints with your regulator and ask the carrier for escalation. This matters for illegal robocalls. Harden your contact surface by removing your number from public listings, using virtual numbers for sign-ups, and enabling two-factor verification only via authenticator apps. If things go wrong, troubleshoot systematically. Verify carrier blocks are active, test with a clean phone, and reset or rebuild filters. Once fixed, monitor for reappearance and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.